Hey guys, welcome back. So I am excited for this video because I ordered this mystery snack box. Yeah, I will leave all the details from where I got it and stuff somewhere over here, but I'm excited. I don't know what's in it, and it comes in here. So I think it's like 10 items. I think it's like drinks in here too. Okay, let's go to it. Okay. Alright. This is exciting. Alright, so the first thing we got are these Lay's. So they're seaweed flavor. They look like this. I don't like seaweed. I do like sushi, but I don't like seaweed snacks. So let's see how this tastes. I'll go through everything and then I'll taste everything. So then we got some choco dessert raspberry jelly cookies from Milka. I've never seen these before. I don't know where they're from, but they look like this. Then we got a sticker. Nice. We got an stuffed egg. It's a Reese's. I think I've had this before, so this is nothing crazy. Then we have some Oreos. I do not know what flavor they are because it's in a different language, and the inside looks like it's green and yellow. Then we got this mini yum chewy candy with orange juice. I'm just guessing it's an orange flavor. Then we got the Chupa Chupas, which I love their blow pop. Well, not blow pops. There's like candies called Crazy Dips, popping candy and lollipop. So it's the lollipop and then it has like pop rocks. I have not seen these around here, so I'm really excited about this. Oh my god, what else? So we also got these 3D Doritos. It says, I guess it's Spanish because it says Éxito 3D Sabor Queso. So I'm guessing they're cheese flavored. There's a lot of things in here actually. So then we have another Milka brand. And this is a chocolate bar with Chips Ahoy. So it's a Chips Ahoy chocolate bar. Like, I'm definitely trying that. Then we have a Sumi. I guess it's just a chewy candy. It's called Sumi. Another sticker. We have these Kiki Tutti Frutti. They're chewy caramelized chewy candies. I guess they have different types of flavors in them. So yeah. Then we also got these little chewy candies. They're gummy candies. Mango flavor, strawberry. Like this. And then we got this other chewy candy flavor thingies. What's this? Oh, birthday cake Kit Kat. I think I've had this before. I'm not sure. Then we got a Fanta. And this is I don't know what flavor this is. This is Lacia. I don't know. I guess I'll find out when I try it. Okay. Then we got this other drink. I'm guessing is oh, it's a Sprite with coconut. That's cool. Okay, then we got other candies in here. We got a Kiki Chewy, then another mini Chewy candy thing. This is a cherry flavor, so I'm allergic to cherry, so I won't be trying this. Oh, we have another one. It's strawberry. I'm definitely trying that. All right, and then we got more Oreos. This looks like raspberry cheesecake. And these are the thin Oreos, raspberry cheesecake. And oh, I just dropped everything. We got another drink. This is a Fanta, whatever you want to pronounce it. And I do not know the flavor. Oh, I'm guessing it's an orange flavor because it has like the orange right there. And look at this, it's so cute with the fruit. All right, so first one I'm gonna try are these Kiki Tutti Frutti candies. Let's see how they taste. Oh, they got different flavors, so here, I'm gonna do a raspberry one first. So, they're good. They taste like Hi-Chews. The same. They're good though. Okay. First item approved. Milka cocoa dessert raspberry cookies. So they look like this. One side like that, and the other side is covered, dipped in chocolate. They smell really good. It has the jelly like right in this little area. That's where the jam is. Tastes good. Tastes like a regular cookie with jam. So, thumbs up. Okay. These eggs, I've had these all the time, so I'm not gonna try that. But I am gonna go in with the Chips Ahoy chocolate bar. This sounds freaking amazing. So so it looks like this. It smells really good. I'm trying to eat a lot of each thing because I want to try everything. But this so good. The chocolate is so milky. It just melts in your mouth, and then it's just crunchy at the same time. Like, okay. I'm loving that. Why don't we have a drink? It smells like peach. So maybe it's peach. You know what it tastes like? I don't know if you ever had those they're like Jello candies that have like little pieces of coconut inside. Tastes just like that, which is weird, but like good at the same time. And then it has the little bubbles. It's good. It's weird but good. All right, so next I'm gonna have the Doritos 3D. I'm guessing it says queso, so they're G. Taste. I said taste. I didn't even taste them yet. It smells so good. They look like this. Okay. Tastes like there's this Spanish brand that has these chips. They don't look like this, but they taste like it. But I can't remember the name of it. If I find it, I will put it in the video. But try those after. Okay. I know for a fact that I'm not gonna like these, but we're gonna do it for the video. They do smell like seaweed. Not as strong, but they do. It looks like this inside. I can't even see it, but let me show you the chip. So it looks like that. I guess it just has like the seaweed flakes over it with like sea salt. I take back my judgment before opening these. These don't taste like those seaweed little like snacks. Good job, Lay's. They put the just right amount of seaweed flavoring in them, which is not overpowering at all. All right, we're about to have the Oreo raspberry mousse. Ooh. Oh, there's 2 tiny packs in here. Okay. I'm definitely gonna have a tummy ache after eating all this at once. Okay. It's broken. The thin Oreos. Excuse me. I don't hate it. I had to move locations because my family is so loud and I was doing it in my little closet room over there. But these Oreos, the raspberry cream ones, taste a bit too sweet with the chocolate, but they're still good. Next, I feel like I had this before, but I'm not sure. The Kit Kat birthday cake, I'm pretty sure I did. I've had. But before we eat that, let's try this. So this is the Sprite, the coconut Sprite. Smells like coconut water. So basically it's like coconut water with bubbles. So it's not like nothing crazy. I don't really drink coconut water, but it's not that bad. I guess the bubbles make it, give it a different taste. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and have one of these Sumi candies. Okay. Tastes good. It's like Jello, a blob of gloop with sugar around it. So no. Oh, that's gross. All right, let's have one of these. So this is the mango gummy. It smells good. That's good. Okay. I'm gonna have one of these. I am going to try the strawberry one. It looks like this. Doesn't smell like anything. Anything that's like a chewy candy, it always reminds me of hot chews. But these are really good too. This is actually a little better than the other ones I just had. Let's try the orange one. It's actually a bit creamier, which is good. I like creamier. Good. They're really good. Here. Got 3 more things. So I'm gonna try the crazy dip. Strawberry flavor. Okay. It's a foot. Put it in the Pop Rocks. And then I'm gonna go in and try the Kit Kat birthday cake. I'm definitely gonna have to put these all in Ziploc bags because I'm not eating everything today. If I did, I'm probably gonna throw up after all this at once. So Kit Kat birthday cake. Looks like it. Smells like it. Will it taste like it? I can't eat the whole thing because I'll throw up right now. But good shit. Oh, I forgot the other Oreos. Be right back. Alright, so these are, I don't know what flavor Oreos because I can't read it. So we shall find out. Smells like caramel. Oh, it's chocolate. I don't know. Let's see. It's like coffee chocolate. Chocolate coffee. Chocolate. Yeah. I think it's like coffee and chocolate. When I was watching this video and you guys have this where you guys live, let me know exactly what this is. But to me it tastes like coffee and chocolate together, which is really, really good. And I don't like coffee, but these are actually better than the raspberry ones. So honestly, I was impressed with them seaweed lays. When I first opened the box, I was like, yeah, this is gonna be the thing I hate. Happened to be the thing I freaking love. I think it came in second from the Chocolate Chips Ahoy candy bar. Chocolate Chips Ahoy candy bar. Yeah, that's what you say it, right? It sounded too long to register in my head. Yeah, that was good. Still don't know how I feel about this, because when you first drink it, it tastes like you're drinking coconut milk, but then it has the bubbles at the end, so it's kind of weird. I don't know, but yeah, that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will leave the information in my description on where I got it from. I think this was $80 for this mystery box, which was, I guess, worth it, because it did bring a lot of different items that we don't have here. I think only 2 of them that I've tried already, which is not bad. I got a couple of things and like loose candies and stuff. And this, I freaking loved it. So good. If you guys know where to get these from, let me know, because I always be looking for their original lollipops, but I can't find them anywhere. They used to have them in like those candy stores. Excuse me, I'm like burping everywhere. They used to have them in like the red like candy stores, like but I've looked and I can't find them, so hopefully someone knows where I can get them. And yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, comment down below. If you guys want to see other things, let me know. Yeah, I think that's it. You know, just do your thing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!